I literally recorded this entire thing and I have to record it again because my face cam was not on. Yeah, so this is the trade that I took. To record this entire thing again. Yeah, anyways, you can see this is the trade that I took. I took it across 3 accounts. Boom, boom, boom. 761.92 in like 1 minute 54 seconds. So yeah, pretty solid. Boom and boom. I was testing out Asia. Asia's kind of dog. It's kind of dog shit, so far at least. But yeah, for Asia, I'm definitely very, very, very low risk, high RR. So, but yeah, in terms of this trade, you can see the daily. We are pushing up. 4 hour also bullish, pretty nice. We've displaced from this gap here. 1 hour also pretty good. We are displacing from this gap. We are displacing also from this small gap here. Drop down to the 15-minute. Is it choppy? No, we are creating higher highs. Everything's looking bullish. You know, like I don't like it's looking bullish, like very, very bullish. We are in this 15-minute gap, and what do I see? Boom to boom, SMT leading on ES. Drop down even further. Like this is looking pretty textbook for now. Boom, retrace back into the 5-minute, clean right off basically market open, which is 130. Probably just change this to boom. You can see market open was right. No, market open was right there. I was wondering why it says 130 when I changed it to New York. So 930, boom. And then right off market open, retracement back into the 5-minute gap, and then displacement up. Took the trade, targeting this like London highs. Yes, it was London highs. I remember this time, and took out partials. What I did realize from this trade is that I should have took the partial stop loss first, or stop loss and profit, with my 200k in capital first, and then the 100k. But I did 100k first, and then I didn't have time to fully take the partials with 200k, so I missed out in like 100 times 2, so I missed out on $200 just because of that. So moving forward, I'll definitely, it's smart to do the risk management on the bigger account first since it's more funds. But yeah, this textbook setup itself, pretty strong. We have everything, SMT at the lowest, boom, boom, boom. Like that's what I've realized going into like January more is like the difference between an A plus setup and something that just isn't good enough. And an A plus setup looks like an A plus setup. And yeah, it will work most of the time. Sometimes it won't work. It is what it is, but it will work most of the times. Yeah, besides that, pretty solid. I also did realize that I am max allocation on alpha futures. So I didn't realize that like a few days back, but I actually, yeah, I've got a max allocation on alpha futures. So that's pretty cool. 100k times 3 accounts. This 100k zero account, I do soon want to get rid of it because it's a zero account. So get a better account, get a standard qualified. But besides that, yeah, pretty cool milestone. If you guys do want to learn one-on-one for free, just DM me. If you want to get, learn how to get funded, learn how to get paid out, etc., whatever it is, shoot me any questions, DM me, learn, and I will be happy to help. A plus setup.